Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself and look at me, look at me. You made it.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Nah, we ain't got shit going on. Today's video is gonna be a continuation of yesterday's video with the LS3 G35 on the dyno. So, you guys see that my boy Junior was there. Those that aren't familiar with Junior is my boy that has the CTS V. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys know that me and him have been going back and forth, bickering, trolling each other, and all kind of other stuff, fun stuff, just having fun banter. So, a lot of you guys, well, a lot of people on Instagram, I should say, actually think that me and Junior have like a real beef or a real grudge or something like that. That's why I decided to separate this content from the G35 content, because it is the same day he was there at the dyno with me, but it would have been like an hour-long video. So decided to separate it, give my boy Junior his own little, you know what I'm saying, his own little piece in here with the V3. So also the importance of this video and the relevance of it is, you guys know that me and Junior are planning to run his V3 versus my LSA 350Z. So the problem that's occurring here is Junior thinks the V3 actually has a chance with the 350Z. Why he thinks that, I don't know. It's an elephant of a car versus a car that weighs a lot less than his, making roughly the same power. And you know what I'm saying, I'm a better driver, but you know, we'll let the race determine all that. But yeah, man, we've been going back and forth. This is like his 4th time coming at a retune. This boy's trying to do everything he can to try to beat me. He's banking on him being auto, me being 6-speed, and him having a 17-inch drag pack. Well, all that has been changing, as you guys know. I've changed the setup a lot. I've been getting this thing to hook since then, and he really don't stand a chance, but he thinks he does. So, you know, we're gonna continue with it, and then when we finally get ready to run it, it'll just make it that much better, man. Like, here's a video, Junior's V3 hitting the dyno. Hopefully you guys enjoy. For those that aren't familiar with everything, man, me and Junior don't have a real beef. That's my boy, like, that's really bruh. But it's friendly competition, man. He don't wanna lose, and I damn sure don't wanna lose. I'm for sure not gonna be losing on my platform. Like, come on. V3 versus LSA 350Z. If you betting against the 350Z, you're out of your fucking mind. Anywho, let's get into today's video. Love y'all, thank y'all for viewing and checking out all that other stuff, y'all understand? Yeah, we out. Enjoy.
We did?
Hey, bro, it don't matter what you pour in there, Kool-Aid, don't matter. Tell him, we still gapping this, right, Jason?
I want to be there. He's not beating it.
I'm beating it like Michael Jackson, bruh. I ain't gonna lie though, this thing is sexy. This thing is sexy.
Sexy about to whoop your motherfucking ass.
Nigga, I'm over here complimenting your car and you talking shit. This shit hell, man, this shit hella ugly. Look at the lip all scratched.
Come on,
he need a chrome delete.
I don't need a chrome delete.
What else, man? His fitment ain't all that good.
You crazy as hell.
You know a nigga hate when they be like, man, his white ain't even all that white.
That's out of pocket. Huh?
His white ain't even all that white. It's like, it's not as clean as the whites I be seeing around.
You think so?
I don't know, I'm trying to sound like a hater.
That's a Glacier Metallic, that's what I tell him.
Man, your curls ain't even that curling.
He just called me Jerry Curls earlier, bro.
They ain't even curling like that though.
You think so?
I'm hating, I'm being a hater slay. Yeah, man, this nigga camera ain't even cameraing, and look, he got an A1S.
Like hold it on the bottom, brother.
I don't know how to hold this.
You're supposed to grip it like this.
You look like you trying to do a Kamehameha, boy.
You think so?
Alright, here we go. About to see what bruh make. I get the behind the scenes, you know what I'm saying?
350Z dead. 350Z dead.
It's not gonna be dead. I'm telling you now. I'm hoping bruh make at least 8. I just wanna, you know what I'm saying? I want him at his best. I want him at his strongest moment. I don't wanna hear nothing.
Oh.
He gonna have a pulley, everything. So when it's all said and done,
no cam.
This is him at his best.
This is not him at the best.
This is him at the best that he gonna be right now.
No No ported heads, nothing.
Put camcorder heads and all that on there.
Smoking that shit.
You're not beating the 350.
Listen to the 600 wheel pull right now.
You're like,
This is what everybody's about to see on YouTube instead of the real numbers. Oh no, I gotta upload the real numbers on YouTube. This one will upload like in 2 or 3 weeks. DI. It sounds wet though.
I want to hear it. Floor it.
Floor it.
Floor it. SpongeBob voice. That's still not, you know what I'm saying?
You
it's
know
not,
that's long.
that's not 350Z LSA torque though.
You know that's killing me.
That's not 350Z LSA torque. Alan, what do you prefer? LT or LS? LS! LS! You hear that? But hey, he said he prefers LS. That's all. Boom! It does sound good though.
What that make? With 91? This is your ass. This is your ass.
Bruh.
That's your ass.
He's about to be so disappointed.
Huh? Bro.
So disappointed.
I'm telling you.
You see my 350, right?
Yeah. His 350Z versus that, who's winning? Manual, auto, same power.
Yeah, but he's got the advantage of the weight.
That's what he don't understand.
Well, weight makes a big difference.
Okay.
He don't understand. He 500 pounds himself.
That's my heavy.
He heavy.
40, 91? 91? With him pulling
Still,
timing up?
don't matter.
Bruh.
Don't matter. You still ain't made, you know what I'm saying? You ain't at my power yet, bro. You're gonna need an extra 100 to make up for that 1,000 pounds you got over there.
Alright.
You're not though.
790, 805 torque on 91. Oh, 350Z dead. Oh my God.
Bruh.
Hey, Jason, tell him to pack it up. He gotta go. He dead. This is 91.
Hey, I can't wait to take all these clips and replay him. He's dead, and his car fading away in the background.
91. Put this in there now. Let's go.
Watch, he about to be super disappointed.
Oh my God, 91. This is a monster.
This nigga, he all happy. He's stupid juiced.
That's the record right here. 822. We better break it. Oh, but he's gonna do one nice ass last pull, huh?
Yeah. So I'm gonna hide behind this wall just in case this nigga shit decides to shoot some transmission parts all over the place. I ain't jinxing you, but I'm just saying. Look, everybody, look, he hiding behind the pole. My boy nervous now. He nervous, he quiet. Did it do it? Yup. This is it?
He doesn't want to go past 20.
So this is it right here, right?
He's at my high side too. I gotta change my high side.
You about to break a record or what? We breaking a record?
If it doesn't break this fucking record, I swear to God, that car is gonna be on fire.
Let me buy it.
Oh yeah!
I give you 10 right now. Hey, 10 is better than nothing from you burning it up, right?
Insurance gonna give me 8. I know y'all gonna be watching this. If I don't beat the record, if I don't beat the record, we won't see the car tomorrow.
We got a record coming?
I don't know. We'll let it cool off. He already beat the torque record. It was 752 on LMP.
Man, he did. And he did all that and barely made what? 10 horsepower more than me? Oof.
Crazy as hell.
Hey, Jason, with that slipping clutch, oof. Boy, you gonna have problems.
I'm about to blow the doors off of that shit.
Not with that fucking horsepower, you ain't.
Crazy as fuck.
Not happening. It's a good number though.
It sounds like two different cars from when I first brought it now. I'm telling you, it's killing you.
Look, Jason's demeanor changed. He lost confidence in you.
Nah, it's good.
Nah, it's good meaning, yeah, he gonna walk your shit.
I don't know.
Hey man, you need some lead pants on, my brother. We don't need this transmission taking your legs out right now.
Is that shit hella high? Get power, right? I'm about to just say, fuck it. Take that whole lower off, go 2650. We making 1,000, cracking that train. Hey, Mike, who?
Hey, you see how much pressure I applied on him? I done made that boy go spin like 20 bands. Hey, losing to that truck hurt it, huh?
He beat a stock car. I don't want to hear it.
Hey, remember when I beat the Durango? He put it on Facebook Market. This man went on Summit and everything else.
I ain't losing no more. Bring the truck out, my boy. Bring it out.
Nigga, you gotta get through the 350Z first.
The truck ain't back.
And if you get through the 350Z, you're not getting through the vet.
Where's the truck?
Look, he keeps.
Where's the truck?
That nigga,
Bring
vet,
the truck back,
vet,
my boy.
vet,
Bring
vet.
the truck. I'm gonna let you go.
Hey,
I'm gonna let you go.
hey, I don't know.
Bye.
Hey, I don't know. That little 5.3 might give you some run though.
I like 5.3 cars.
I don't know. That 5.3 might give you a little problems, bruh.
I don't know.
That thing about to come back with the sauce when Jason Boy done with my wiring.
Cheat code, you don't even know. The intercooler is already on the way. That's all I want. I'm just ready to beat the core. I want to beat the wheel. 758.
Let me get behind this pole. This is how you gotta record these LT powered cars right here, like this. Am I safe right here, Jason? Running over there.
No!
Ah, that sucks.
Hey, is that the same? Is that the same pool? Did it record? I see the helm was 8 foot now!
Ain't hit no 840. Cap,
Bro, I promise you.
cap.
Let it cool down again. One more time.
It's over. I'm walking that. Look, I got that boy stressed. Got him holding the fans. That boy is stressed. Look, he's stressing, huh? You can see it in him.
Yeah.
You can see it in him. Stressing.
Nigga, that's hot.
trying to do all the extracurriculars. Next thing I'm gonna want to go to the corner store and get a bag of ice. Nigga got all the meth, all the E, extra boost, still can't get it done.
Extra time.
Right? Extra everything. It sucks to have to do all that just a little LSA 350Z.
Huh?
Say you doing all that just to keep on a little LSA 350, bruh.
You went to 70,000. I don't want to hear it.
I'm not. Ooh, I can't wait to put my pulley on.
Put it on. You gonna need it now.
I'm putting it on. I don't need it, but I'm gonna put it on. You did extra shit.
I didn't do shit.
Bruh, you came here and did extra shit and came for a retune.
Anything extra, you think?
Yeah, nigga, you did a whole new fuel system. Nigga added 12 things of meth on it. Fuck you mean? And you pulleyed it down.
I'm not pulling shit down.
You pulleyed it down. It's a smaller.
Pulling it down.
Bruh,
Now
that's.
it's the same pulley.
No, it's not. You swapped the lower.
It's a little hot right now. I'm trying to clean it up. Fire a little hot.
All that and still barely made what I made.
Crazy right here.
My poor son.
Go fast, they said. It'd be fun, they said.
Here we go, last one. Please don't blow up.
It's hot? Oh my God.
Trash! I'm out. You wasting my footage.
Bro.